Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a speech on Gandhi jayanti. Good morning everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Gandhi jayanti, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Gandhiji was not only a leader of the Indian independence movement but also a global symbol of peace, non-violence and truth. His ideals of ahimsa and satyagraha became powerful tools in the fight for justice and freedom. Gandhi believed in simple living, unity and self-reliance. His life reminds us that change begins with the individual and that each of us has the power to make a difference. Today, let us remember his teaching and work towards a world where peace, love, and compassion guide our action. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.